Welcome to another GlowShift Gauges installation video. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. As always, if you have any installation questions, our technical support specialists are here to help. Using a center punch, mark the drilling location on the exhaust manifold's turbo flange. To make drilling the manifold easier, you can remove the intake and cover, but this step is optional. Starting with a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill a hole in the exhaust manifold where you marked with the center punch. After your pilot hole is drilled, gradually step up in drill bit size until you reach size R. The reason we recommend installing the EGT probe to the exhaust manifold's turbo flange is that this particular mounting location will give you the most accurate temperature readings. Using other mounting locations can cause the readings to be significantly off. If you do not have a drill and tap set, one can be purchased at glowshift.com or by clicking the image to the right. Once the hole is drilled, use a vacuum and magnet to remove the metal shavings from the inside of your exhaust manifold. Once the metal shavings are removed, slowly tap the hole to 1/8-27 npt. After you finish tapping the hole, use the vacuum and magnet again to remove the metal shavings that accumulated while tapping. Now that your exhaust manifold is drilled, tapped, and cleaned out, install the EGT probe adapter into the hole and tighten. Once the adapter is installed, slide the EGT probe into the adapter and tighten.